Cole.
That's what I'm
They call them festival balls.
Festival balls.
Cole, I've never seen a Roman candle shoot up that fast.
Yeah, I know.
Or that high.
Festival balls. Get ready. There we go. Bombs away.
Now what's this?
Festival ball.
A what?
You'll see.
Oh, one of those.
Oh my God!
You got another one of those, Cole?
Yeah.
Keep it going. Keep it going. You don't have to tell me. Aren't those good?
Yes, they are.
Big booty rockets.
What?
Big booty rockets. Wait, what were they called? Artillery?
Festival balls.
Oh, festival. Guys! Dad! Watch! Whoa! Any more of those, Cole?
Yeah.
Keep them coming.
Cool. Now what was that, guys?
Festival balls.
Oh, that's so festival ball?
We're working on it. Can I divide it?
This one lit.
I'm glad.
Oh, just try it anyways.
I don't know which way.
Just try it.
I don't know. Oh, top. Okay.
Yeah, let me divide it. Can I do it on us? Yeah, I want to do it on him. Where is it? Where is it, Cole?
Better enjoy it because it starts coming back up.
Shit, I thought he was gonna go.
And it's going back up to 95.
Oh, fuck, it's going. There we go.
I'm sure all
You guys ready?
We had all those 97-degree
Correct.
days.
Oh. Wow. Whoa. Any more of those?
Yeah.
We have like
What
two
are
more
you
packs
doing
of
next?
these.
What's that, mate?
More.
Festival balls, Dad.
Oh, here.
Ready?
Okay, I haven't seen that.
I apologize. I thought those were these. These packs of.
Where'd
you go?
Oh, it is.
I'm here. I'm still here.
There we go. There we go, babe.
You better run, Mr. Buck.
No, he don't care. Bill.
Cool.
Keep it going.
Let's do one of the big ones. What?
Oh,